Welcome to Celery Celebrations and the Veggie Crafters program sponsored by Dandy. You'll be surprised by what you can create with the fresh vegetables in your crisper drawer. Today we're going to make a beautiful and tasty veggie bouquet as an edible centerpiece. Let's start by gathering everything you'll need. Find a small vase, jar, or juice glass to hold the arrangement. Next, gather an array of colorful vegetables. For our centerpiece, we use dandy radishes and celery stalks, baby carrots, sliced cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes to make the flowers, and celery leaves to add foliage and texture. You'll also need flower-shaped cookie cutters, scissors, a sharp knife, kebab sticks, and some water for your vase. Now we can begin to assemble our vegetable flowers. Using a cookie cutter, take the cucumber slices and cut them into floral shapes. Trim the radishes' tops and roots, cut the baby carrots into half-inch slices, and make leaves out of slices of celery. The cherry tomatoes can be used whole. Load the skewers with the vegetables, just like you would for kebabs, to create fun floral stems. Slice extra celery and place it into the bottom of your vase to use as decorative filler. Fill the vase halfway with water and arrange the flowers decoratively. Complete the arrangement with a few celery leaves. Place your veggie arrangement in the center of your buffet table for everyone to enjoy, or make individual ones for each place setting. For more information about Dandy Celery, great recipes, and other projects like this, visit us at www.celerycelebrations.com.